All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys is how to zoom in and pan, or just move around your document. So at the very bottom of your toolbar, you should see the zoom tool, and it looks like kind of like a magnifying glass. If you click that, you'll see their options bar shows that you have zoom in, zoom out. You can resize to fit or zoom all windows, whatever. Um, so if I have it set to zoom, I can click on, say, the cat and zoom in. The shortcut, I prefer to use shortcuts as much as I can because it makes it a lot quicker and it's a lot of less mouse clicks. To zoom out, I can hold Control and hit minus on my keyboard. So see I'm hitting Control plus minus, okay? And then Control plus zooms back in. So that's how I prefer to do this. So let's say we're zoomed in. The hand tool above it, okay, allows you to pan. So this is called panning, where you kind of move around your document. The shortcut for the hand tool is spacebar. So let's say I'm using my move tool and I'm zoomed in quite a bit. If I push my spacebar and hold it down, you can see I'm holding down my spacebar over here. It allows me to pan or use my hand tool, okay? So I'm gonna zoom back out. Let's go back to using our transform controls. So I'm going to pan over. Let's say I Control T my cat. Okay, so I'm transforming my cat and I make him super large and I hit enter, but then I mess up. Let's say I want to step back. If I want to undo something, you can go to Edit, Undo, Edit, Undo, or, so let me step forward. You can also use Control Z. Okay, so if I hold Control Z on my keyboard, so Control Z, that allows me to step back. Additionally, what all of this is doing is it is navigating your history panel. So if you go up to Window and go down to History, it pulls up your history panel and you can see all of the history you've been doing, okay? It does have a limit. You only want to, I think it saves up to 20 to 25 times. It just depends on what version and how you have your settings. Sometimes only 12 steps. But I honestly like to prefer to just hit Control Z on my keyboard, okay? If you want to step forward, it is Control Shift Z. Okay, see how I'm stepping forward? Control Z is back. Control Shift Z steps forward, okay? So you can see all of that shown over here on my keyboard presses. So from here, go ahead and save your work again and move on to the last video.